Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys the proper way to garnish your old fashioned. Now, a traditional old fashioned is gonna have an orange peel. And now, I know you guys have seen this drink butchered 1,000 times, right? But since this drink here only has one spirit, all of the other details really make a difference. And so the garnish here really plays a really nice and very important role in the overall cocktail. The easiest way that I've found for me to get a really nice peel on the orange is by using one of these guys right here. And now the trick here is that you don't want to get any of the white or the actual stuff that's underneath the peel, and you don't want to damage the outside part of it because it has all of the oils that you want to express over the drink. So you have to be really gentle when you do it, but if you use one of these tools right here, it comes off super easy. And as you can see, you don't have any of the white on here, right? As opposed to going in really deep and grabbing a little bit more, right? So whenever you do the peel, you want to make sure that you're getting just the very outside part of it. And the reason why you don't want to do that is because it's like bitter. It adds an unpleasant taste to the drink. So now when we garnish it, I've got an old fashioned that I put together here already. We're gonna go ahead and stir it real quick. I'm gonna pack this up all the way with ice. We're gonna stir it here about 25 times. All right, and as you can see, I've already got a nice big rock. Traditionally, you don't want this drink to be diluted. And so by using a big ice cube like that, it slows down the rate of dilution and it doesn't water it down. And so that's why you see people using either the spheres or the big blocks of ice. They just melt a lot slower than regular ice. So we're gonna strain it right on top. And now this is where the real difference, where you elevate the cocktail. This is where it happens. So we're gonna do the orange peel. Again, making sure that we don't get too much of the white stuff on there. And then you're gonna express on this side here, on the skin side, you're gonna express the oils. And what you wanna do is you wanna try to express the oils all over the inside of it, and then run this on the outside. And the reason for doing that is you're gonna get a really nice aromatic orange zest kind of smell to it. But also anytime that you're drinking this, you're gonna get the orange and the smell on your fingers and your hand, and it's just gonna invigorate it, and it's gonna make you wanna drink a little bit more. So if you can see this here, I'm gonna squeeze this, and believe it or not, it's gonna express some oils on here. So we do that, and you can automatically smell it. I mean, it smells really nice. We're gonna rub this on the outside, and then this gets put right there. And then the cherry that we add to this, you can use all different kind of maraschino cherries, but really the gold standard is gonna be the Luxardo cherries. And there's really no substitute. I mean, there's some other stuff out there that's really nice, but at the end of the day, the one that kind of stands above the rest is gonna be the Luxardo cherries. And now with this here, depending on your recipe, you can use some of the actual syrup from the cherries. I like using a little bit of the syrup. I don't use a lot of simple syrup in the recipe anyway, so it's not overly sweet. But then you just drop this guy right on top like that. And there you have it, y'all. The proper way to garnish your old fashioned. Cheers. There you go.